So you may already know that I really like roasted vegetables. In fact, I try to make them a couple of times a week if I can. But it's these little guys and some simple seasonings that really rocked my roasted vegetable world lately. To make these super yummy garlic pepper roasted squash, start by cutting each of the squash in 1/2-inch rounds and then put all of the pieces into one big bowl. Then you're going to want to drizzle it with olive oil and your seasonings and mix it around really well. Adjust if you need to, add a little extra seasoning or a little extra Parmesan cheese or oil if it seems a little dry, and just keep mixing it around until all of the pieces of squash are coated really well on both sides. Then you're going to lay all the squash out in a single layer on your baking sheet that's been lined with parchment paper to keep it all from sticking to the pan. So believe it or not, social distancing rules apply to the squash too. You want to keep all of those pieces as far apart from each other on that pan as possible because they release a lot of moisture when they bake, and you don't want them to get soggy. You want them to get nice and crisp. And yes, your hands are going to be an absolute mess. Then you're going to take the remaining Parmesan cheese and seasonings and sprinkle as much as you want on top. By doing that, when you pop it in the oven, that cheese is going to melt and get browned and crisp on top, and it's going to be so super delicious. And about 15 minutes later, they come out of the oven smelling so good that my kids come running and eat them right off of the baking tray, which of course doesn't bother me in the slightest. I was able to save enough to make this plate though. A couple of squash and some simple ingredients. Look at how good it is right out of the oven. And it's got the cheese all melted and crisp on top. Really good. Find this recipe and many more at homewithshay.com. Shay Ryan, ABC Action News.